Yo, what's up, you guys? Good morning, good morning. It's the morning of the ride. I'm looking rough, but I'm excited. I'm ready. It's a beautiful day. We got a good group of people turning out. It's gonna be fun, dude. It's gonna be fun. It's a beautiful day. Good vibes. We got a nice route planned. I'm super excited, you guys. SayWord and Millie Mob Community Day #1, kicking it off today. It's gonna be great, you guys. Riding through the city, big mob mentality. I'm stoked. So let's see how it goes, guys.
I thought you were doing the speech.
No speech today.
Just ride.
Focus on safe riding and making it there without an asthma attack.
All right, should be a good day.
God bless.
Back home, I know president, I'm Obama, ayy. I condone the drama. I told down Madonna, do you need pajamas? Stay in the night, girl, you promised it. I hide in the cave like Osama did. I'm going to bag in the diamond district. You need me like dollars that I owe to you. Money and me.
SayWord. Okay.
I'm looking like I'm prepared. Take a pic with these bitches, she bang. She look like a goddess, but she ain't no saint. My bitch bout to die, she need her a tank. You know ain't no limit on blue money. I'm just like a big bag of money, there's new money. You gon' make the bitch think that you love fuck. Hold her hand right in front, she too public. Take a little nigga, bitch, he ain't do nothing. Now this bitch going baby, don't back, let's go. She want me to stay, and I hope that these niggas don't play. Let's go. It's looking good, it's over, blank account. I'm the type to take a nigga off from him and take her out. Keep the butt, I take them out.
Yeah.
Hey, babe. I'm back. Did you see me on the bike?
Oh, we did it, you guys. The ride was beautiful. One time we had over 30 riders. It was a super good turnout. You guys, everyone had a great time. It was beautiful. Shout out to Millie Mob and all the guys over there for making this happen with us, joining up and popping off on the first SayWerd Community Day. First of many, you guys, and it was beautiful. We got down to Zócalo, shared all of our earnings and winnings with other local businesses, met new people, branched out. We had riders join the ride along the way. It was super sick. But if you took any footage, any pictures, please send it. Please send it over to me. Thank you guys for everyone who partook. We have a lot of Millie Mob stuff here left. Much love, guys.